Dear AI aspirant, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Project. Today we try to see string methods. Okay, the string methods today we try to see title, capitalize, upper, lower, casefold, index, find, count and replace. Without further delay, now let us jump into the session. Okay, I am creating the name is equal to welcome to Python. Okay. So how to find methods of an okay, we can see all the capitalized, casefold, center, count, end with, find, format, index, so is title. So these all the methods is related to the string. So we have given the string. Okay, now let us see a one by one. Now help name dot title. So title method is a built-in function title. Return a version of a string where each word is titled cased. More specifically, words starts with uppercase characters and the remaining are lowercase. Now let us see name, shift tab. Okay, whether it will take any arguments. Okay, you can see it out. No. Now you can see whatever the things we have given is welcome to Python. W is a small letter, T is a small letter, P is a small letter. Okay, we can see W is a capital letter, 2 is a capital letter, P is the capital letter. So this is the one word, this is another word, this is another word. First character of the word will making as a capital letter. So in order to save this one, you need to make it as a title, and it will save and you can print. Yeah. Now let us move to the second one, that is called capitalize. Similarly, we need to identify the help name dot capitalize. It is a built-in function. Make the first character have uppercase and the rest will be the lowercase. Now let us see it. Shift tab. Whether it takes any arguments, return a capitalized version of an string. So we are saving again in a title and we try to see what is the outcome. See, the first character of this text is making the capital letter and the rest will be the small letter. So we have seen the title and capitalize. Now let us see the third one, that is upper. So I am taking the help name dot upper. So return a copy of a string converted to an uppercase. Each character of a text or a string converted to the uppercase. Now let us see name dot upper, whether it will take any arguments. No. Then I am saying as an str1 name underscore 1, and I am printing the name underscore 1. You can see every character of any string converted to the uppercase. Now let us see the example for the lower. So name dot lower, return a copy of a string converted to the lower case. Now name dot lower, is it take any arguments? No. Then I am storing into the name underscore 2 the result, and I am printing. So welcomed every character of any string in the lower case. So lower, upper, capitalize, and the title we have seen. Now let us see what is the case fold. You can see the case fold here. Name dot case fold. We need to see the help first. See, return a version of a string suitable for caseless comparisons. Now I am taking this one and I am putting name underscore 3 is equal to this. Whether it will take any arguments? No. And I am printing the output. See, welcome to the Python. So the case fold is nothing but the lower. It is converting into the lower case the given string, the given text. It is converting into the lower case. So this is another form of the function. So suitable for caseless comparisons. So the case fold, lower, upper, capitalize, title. So we have seen these are the things: title, capitalize, upper, lower, case fold. Now let us see the index, find, count, and replace. Help name dot index. So it's a built-in function. So return the lowest index in S where substring sub is found. If the substring doesn't found, it will raise the value error when the substring is not found. So now what we can see, name dot index, we can give Python. See, substring is not found, Python. So where first let us print the name, and then we can go with this is welcome to a Python. Next I am doing this one, but if you see I have given as a P as a lower letter. So this P, it has been located at the 11th index number. If we consider the welcome to Python, this is 0 index 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So this is the 11th index. If it is fine, it will try to show the index. If doesn't find the substring, it will throw the value error. So this is the meaning. And the second one, we can also say start and end. So where we need to find it. So now let us say by default 0 will be the start. You can see from starting it is searching. So if you can provide the start value as a 5, yes, because it is located as 11. But if you provide as a 12, so it will try to say value error because you are searching from 12 to the last. So this is the thing. This is the start point. Okay, now I want to say end. So where is the end? So you can say it is, this is the 11. where is that one? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, you can give it as a 16, or you can give it as 17. So this is the start and this is the end, and here only the positive direction and step is always +1, and direction is always a positive. There is no negative direction, and step value will be the minus. So this negative direction and other than step 1, not others are valued. Okay, so this is the one thing. Now let us move to the other one. Help name dot find. So return the lowest index in S where substring is find, and argument start and start interpreted as a slicing notation returns -1 on failure. The difference between the index and find will return -1 on failure, but index will raises the value error if substring is not found. Now let us do some exercise, that is a find. Okay, same thing we are going to give capital P Python. Okay, and we try to see the shift tab. So it is contain substring start and end. Similarly the start and end, whatever the things we have seen. Yeah, -1 mean the substring is not found. Now let us give one more example. Okay, yeah, it's 11. The output if the substring find in the main string index to the find, it is the same outcome. Now let us move to the other method of a string. You can see index and find we have done. Count. Now let us move to the count. Help name dot count. See, return the number of non-overlapping occurrence of a substring in the main string. And similarly it also having a start and end, and the direction is positive, step size is 1. Now name dot count. Okay, so what is the our string? Welcome to Python. So now let us give 2. One time it is fine. Now let us give Python. It is. Now let us see capital T. It is 0. So it will not throw any error if substring doesn't find in the main string, like a find, like a index. Okay, so this is the one thing. And here also you can pass start and stop. So, and here also you can tell them like a minus index. Okay, the minus will be the thing. Even if I am giving a start is 0 and stop will be -1, so this -1 index, it will be converted into the relevant positive index, that is the end of the string. So still it can do it. So even though you are providing the start and stop with the different signs, it will convert into the equivalent sign. So now one thing you are providing as a plus, another one you are giving as a negative index, both will be converted. The condition here is called end or a stop should always greater than the start, because it's a positive direction. So this is the count. So even though by seeing -1, we should not get confused. This -1 is converted to the positive index value, and the stop value is greater than the start, so it will try to identify it. Yeah. Now let us see, the last one is nothing but the replace. Name dot replace, small to I want to replace with a capital TO, and let us see the tab. Old and new, count how many times you want to replace. By default all the things it will try to replace it. Okay, so now if we want to save the result, we need to store in the output variable and print name underscore 3. So okay, you can see small t TO is replaced with capital T. So like this it will try to do the replace. But if I want to replace only one, then you can put this is a 1. And if you want to replace it 2 times, okay, you can do that one also. But here how many times it is doing? 1 time. Now let us take one more example so that you will get to understand. Name is equal to welcome. So I have given 2 times 2. Now let us see. The first one is going to replace, but second one will be like this, because we are giving a count as a 1. Now I am making as a 2. You can see both of them, these two will be replaced. This count says how many times do you want to replace. So hope I have given these things today, whatever the things I have learned. The string methods, title, capitalize, upper, lower, casefold, index, find, count and replace. The bonus tip I want to give to you, what is the difference between the keyword and method. Okay, the keyword is like a len, max, min. You can see they are appearing in a green color, but the name dot title, so you need to apply it after the string with a dot. But len of a name, max of a name, min of a name. So these are the function len, max, min. They are taking the variable name as an argument, but the methods with the with the name, the string, it is taking a dot and taking the function. With the dot followed by the function name is called as method. That method is very specific to that class. That is nothing but here is a string. But the len, min, max, so irrespective of the data type, so it will try to apply it. The keywords, you can see it in the green color, and it will try to take the variable name. And the string, whatever the methods, it will always start with a dot and the name. So it is specifically to the particular string, particular to that class. Okay, hope you understood. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. Until then, bye. We try to meet in the next video.